current working theory is we have 3, 3, 5 in an A, triangle in a B, and then we're working for a 5, 3, 5 to the downs. Alright, so we could either be working this 5, 3, 5 to the downside, or we could have already finished that 5, 3, 5 and 5, 3 here, and then a 5 down here. So I moved with the assumption that this was where we ended the 5 and this was the end of wave 4. So we're then looking for a set of 1, 2s. At a point I was thinking we would still be going lower, but it's looking a bit difficult to make that work. The only other option I have left is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in an expanding diagonal. But then again, we could also be in a bit of, I also spoke about how we could be having something similar to this. So it could be a much larger correction. So what that would mean is that this entire thing here is just a correction and then we have more downside. So current working theory is that we bottomed here, we have a 1 and ABC, then we're having all sorts of messy 1, 2s here, but it's difficult to call these 1, 2s. They are beginning to look like three-way structures. I mean, this is an A, a B, and a C, and it would fit into the idea that this is some sort of triangle. Now, this is some sort of triangle. It would fit into the idea, but we'll have to see what happens. I will still be in this trade zone till, I mean, I never really trusted the trade zone. I've put my stop loss at a point where it would invalidate the 1, 2 counts, and luckily for me that point is above my entry points. So I mean, to just be a few cents, I believe, but at least it's not a loss. So in order to validate this 1, 2 counts, I also counted a diagonal here in 5, and then maybe we're having an A, a B, and then a C,